People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People 7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet, and my blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. So can be purchased at people.etsy.com. And here I'm going to do a lather test. This is a little sliver of soap that's left over from the cutting of the 7-Up pound cake soap with a cup of coffee. So, here we go. There's some of the soap. This is actually more than I believe. And we're going to see how well it is. Wow. That's soft and fluffy. The smell absolutely positively amazing. And granted, this is from the first use where you have the oils and stuff still present on the surface. So subsequent uses will lather up even quicker. So, now you see what you're getting. And it cleans well. This is the one made with mango butter, so it makes your skin feel like you put lotion on even though you actually didn't, because mango is very emollient. So let me get a paper towel, dry my hands, because that way I can turn off the camera without damaging my camera. This has been People 7 on Twitter and YouTube. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and stay blessed. Bye now.